Hey everyone, this is Tim here from Your Shift Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to clean your oven. So this is very easy. The first thing you need to get is this Goo Gone. I ended up buying this. This is an oven and grill cleaner, and this has been working really good. Combine that with some steel wool right here, and this will allow you to scrub off all the different grime and grit on your oven. So I went ahead and just sprayed that on there, and then I spread it around with just a paper towel. And I just gave it maybe like 5 to 10 minutes. And now we're going to be scraping this off here and removing it. So you can see it right here. And it's pretty effective. I've had this oven for about 5 years, and I never cleaned it before. So you can see how beautiful it looks now. I can see the blue finish again. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get this off of here, but you can see when I wipe this away now, it looks pretty good. So go ahead and just check this out. It's really easy. You just spray it on, give it some time, spread it around, and then remove it with, you got steel wool, or we have this little right here, and this is a scoring pad. Kind of look at that. And then just wipe the grime and grit away with your paper towel. So take a look at this. It looks great. Go and just try this out. It's called Goo Gone. Spray nozzle, and boom. Perfect. Easy to use.